Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the review of the new Fenty Drop right here. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this box right here, and this is what the exact product looks like. I actually have 3 shades with me, and that's what the bag looks like. It has the shade at the back of the packaging. So I'm just going to quickly go through my thoughts about this foundation. Really, in actual fact, it is what it's called in terms of how easy it is to apply and all of that. So in terms of the packaging, I really like how cute the packaging is, and it's also travel friendly. So if you're looking for, if you're the type that, you know, if you're like me, that you always like to have those little cute makeup bag, then this would definitely be good for you. If you're the type that actually wants a foundation that is travel friendly, then the packaging is definitely for you. So in terms of the packaging, I'm really a fan, and I love how cute and cheeky it looks. Something I like about the foundation is the fact that it's very lightweight on the skin, and it's light to medium coverage. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, as you guys already know, there's summer is here with us, so we all want to glow, and we want that no skin and we want that no makeup kind of makeup look. Then this is definitely for you. Makeup no makeup look, then I'll definitely recommend this for summer, because it's actually very lightweight on the skin, and at the same time it blends into the skin, and I mean melts into the skin. As you guys saw the coverage earlier, it was so you know, flawless on my skin. I love how it applied on my skin, and I love the fact that it's, you know, melted into my skin and gave me that, you know, my skin but better kind of look, if that makes sense. As you guys already know, that this foundation is actually, you know, for people that have little or no blemish to cover. But if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, I recommend our other foundation. But if you're looking for a coverage but with your skin but better kind of look, then I'll definitely recommend this. It went so flawless on my skin, and it gave me that bow pow. It light up my skin, and the, you know, shade is the perfect one for me, guys. Like, you can barely tell the difference between me wearing this foundation and not wearing this foundation at all. That's how lightweight it is on the skin. I really like that. It melted into the skin. If you're not so close to me, you wouldn't be so sure that I'm wearing a foundation, or if that was actually my skin. That about this foundation, I really like a lot. My skin but better. Another thing that I like about this foundation is the fact that you can control the amount of product you apply on your skin. You can apply it with brush, and you can also apply it with your fingers, but I decided to go for brush. But I wouldn't recommend using this with your sponge, because it's very lightweight, so your sponges might take a lot of the product, so you won't have enough on your face, if that makes sense. So I'll definitely recommend using a brush, or I'll definitely recommend using a foundation brush, or using your fingers, if that's what you like. If that's what you want to go for, it's completely fine. Another thing I really like about this skin tint is the shade coverage from dark to medium and to light, which I really like. Depending on your skin tone, you definitely find something for your skin. But for today, I'm wearing the shade 12. I could get away with using shade 12, I could get away with shade 13, because they're just a little bit different from the other, which is, you know, fair enough. So if I can't find 12, I can use 13. So yeah, basically, so far so good. I'm quite loving it. I love the fact that I actually didn't feel like wearing any makeup, and as you guys can tell, it looks flawless on my skin. It doesn't give that, you know, cakey look or whatever to it. Setting powder that I use by Fenty Beauty, that's my absolute favorite of all time. Like, when it comes to like bloating powder, that's my go-to. So I really like that as well. So in terms of this foundation, would I recommend it? Based on, you know, my first impression so far, I would definitely recommend it, based on the packaging, which is travel friendly, and based on the fact that I can control the amount of product that I'm using, and also based on the fact that it's very lightweight on the skin, and my skin but better kind of look. So for that reason, I would definitely recommend this foundation. Blemishes here and there to cover, nothing too much, and I don't want my boss to know I'm wearing makeup, so this is definitely for you. Or you're going to church, or you're going to a meeting that you don't want to wear that full coverage kind of foundations, then this is definitely for you. So I recommend you check it out and let me know what you guys think. But so far so good. I am loving it. I think because the packaging is small, but it's 32 ml, so it's has a lot in there, and as you guys can tell, a little goes a long way, and you will definitely be using this for a while because you don't need a lot on your skin, but depending on the coverage you're going for. But for me, I don't have a lot to cover, so one pump is good on this side, or literally for all my face, depending on what you're using to apply it. But if you use your hand as well, it's also well and good, because obviously it gives you time to, like, you know, spread the product on your face. So yeah, depending on the look you're going for. But so far so good. I am loving it. I'll leave the details of the skin tint in the description box below. Please feel free to check it out and let me know what you guys think. And if you've tried it before, let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't tried it before and you're looking to try it, let me know if you finally tried and what you'd like to know about the product. Just feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think so far. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.